Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today.
Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making pancake. Now we know banana pancakes are all over the place. But if there's a banana pancake out there, there's also our apple lovers. So we're going to make an apple pancake. Let's start with our flour. We're going to put all our dry ingredients in, okay? Our sugar, our baking powder. Just incorporate that a little bit. Wonderful. Dry ingredients. And the reason why I'm incorporating this, and I'll explain to you as I go through these steps. When you're making a pancake, you actually want to incorporate the flour because you want a nice smooth batter. So I'm basically mixing all my dry because I'm incorporating it. Now I'm going to add my liquids, okay? My wet items in the center specifically. So I'm going to make a little space here in the center. There's no rules, but this is just a better way to do it. Here's our egg. Let me beat the egg up a little bit. Just a quick little whisk. Just beat it up a little bit. Then we're going to add our nice rich butter. Okay. I'm going to put the vanilla extract. That's going to enhance our flavor. And guess what? We're going to add some apple juice. Yes, I said it. Apple juice. Alright. Now, let me just try to incorporate this a little bit by doing circular motions. And I'm going to pull from the edges to thicken this up. Okay? It's all about the consistency when you're making a pancake. So, I like to start in the middle because I can actually see and I can control the consistency. Notice as I add the water gradually when it gets thicker. This is how I can control the consistency of the pancake. Look at that, guys. Circular motions, I'm getting a little wider as I pull in some more dry flour. Okay, you see that? Beautiful. Add a little bit more milk. It's getting to where I want it. Larger circle motions. Okay? I'm pulling that flour in. Okay, because it's getting loose and I want to tighten it up. Remember, we're making a batter. This is a simple pancake batter. Alright, let me add some more milk into that. There we go. This is looking beautiful. Oh, it smells great. Listen, guys. This is very easy. Look at that. Look at that. This is a typical pancake batter. If you see the ripples, this is how you know the texture is what you want. See the ripples? It's like a spiral. That's how you know it's the texture that you're looking for. Okay? And there you have it. So now we're going to make our apple pancake. Now you start with just putting the apples all around the pan. You want to cover the pan. The reason why you're covering the pan is because when you make your pancake and you take a bite into it, you want every bite to have the nice apple. Now we're going to take our wonderful batter and we want to cover all of the apple. Look at that. That's what we want, guys. We want to cover all of the apple. Okay, don't be shy. Get it all in there. Take your time, there's no rush. You want this to be delicious. You can smell the aroma. Oh my goodness, the nice vanilla extract that we use. That's what and pure vanilla extract, guys. You want to use pure vanilla extract because you get the best flavor. Remember, you want to make sure that your ingredients are exactly what you need so you can get the results that you're seeking. Look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, let me just get this all out. I'm getting it all out, guys. I'm just scraping with my spatula. That's why it's so important to use a rubber spatula. You can get all your batter out. Okay? All right. That's all I'm doing. I want to cover all the apples. That's the idea. Look at that rich batter. Okay. Let's just tuck the apples in nicely. Spread the batter nicely. I'm just going to give it a little shake, okay? Okay, as you can see, this is what we want. Take a look at that. A perfect circle. All the apples are covered by the batter. Now, at this point, you want to nicely cover your pan because we're going to cook this slowly, okay? This is going to create the steam. And remember the apple juice that I used? That's going to help not only in flavor, but also give us the steam we need to cook the apple fully through, the apple pancake. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. 15 to 20 minutes. You should be good. Okay, as you can see, it pulled from the edges. So I'm just going to make sure that it's released. And it is. And we're going to do a quick flip because we want to get some color on this top. So I'm going to just do a quick flip. Oh boy, this is the big one. Wow. Okay, as you can see, I flipped it over and you can see the apples that was at the bottom got nicely browned. Okay, so we're just going to finish the cooking process. Nice piece. Oh, nice and moist. Okay. Okay. There we go. There we go. Look at that steam coming out. That's what you want. Nice and fluffy. There you have it. You can serve this for breakfast, for a little snack. This is a meal within itself. Now keep in mind, we use apples, but you can use any kind of fruit you want. Look at that nice apple all up there in the top. It's beautiful. Nice brown color. Well guys, here you have it. Apple pancake. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this delicious one. Have a great day, guys.